Millennium Alliance was a really good event, really good quality of the attendees. Everybody is a leader in their space, they're thought leaders, they're very forward-thinking, progressive people who are eager to learn. They're eager to talk to their peers, eager to network. It's a lot of people that want to be here. You know, their companies aren't forcing them to be here, they want to be here to learn and grow on their own. We spent a couple days here, we got to meet a lot of different people, drummed up a lot of good business, I think, and all the conversations we had were very relevant. We got to speak to the people that we were trying to get in touch with. We definitely, hopefully, got some value, giving back to the people we talked to. Also, really casual environment. We learned a lot from the roundtables. We got to have a happy hour and a good dinner hour and a good lunch hour together. So it's just been a good experience.
Redpoint Global took the time to share with your attendees how we're helping our clients bridge the gap between strategy and execution of their customer experience. It's our mission at Redpoint Global to help our clients find the fastest path from their data to revenue. As Gold sponsor, Redpoint Global has enjoyed being able to interact not only with prospective companies, but also colleagues and peers in the industry. It helps us stay on top of trends and tell our story in a connected, interactive way, much more so than you might find at larger impersonal conferences. It's very rewarding, very valuable, and we've made great connections that we'll keep for a long time, I'm sure.